Today, Appa is in kitchen. Appa says, I will make sambar today. What vegetables are there in the basket? Students, what vegetables do we put into the sambar?
Onion, tomato, green chilli, carrot, garlic, bitter gourd, bottle gourd, pumpkin, etc. Teacher.
Super! Today, Appa is going to cook sambar.
Onion, onion, I am onion. I will make the sambar tasty. Onions are good for health. I am in red in color.
Super! Onions are good for health.
Tomato, tomato, we are tomato. We will make the sambar tasty too. We are in red color.
Tomatoes are sour. Tomatoes are
Sour. Chilli, chilli, we are chilli. We make the sambar spicy.
Do you like spicy sambar?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. The chilies are green.
Carrot, carrot, we are carrot. We are sweet, we good for your eyes. We are in orange color.
Do you eat carrots?
Yes, teacher.
How many of you eat carrot in raw?
Teacher, I will eat the raw carrots.
Before eating, you should wash the carrot. Okay, wow.
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Garlic, garlic, I am garlic. If you eat me, you won't get sick. I am tasty too. I am in white in color. Put me in.
Put me in. Appa looks at the vegetables and says, together you will all make my sambar very tasty. Jump in, all of you jump in. I am keeping the vessels down on the table and you all vegetables hop inside. I will make sambar tasty. It will be spicy. It should be healthy. Also, it will be healthy. Do you think Appa sambar will be tasty?
Yes, teacher.
What vegetables do you like in your sambar?
Teacher, I like onion and garlic.
Okay, today Appa sambar is tasty. We are going to taste it. Chop, chop, chop. Chop the onions.
Chop, chop, chop. Chop the onions.
Cut, cut, cut. Cut the tomatoes.
Cut, cut, cut. Cut the tomatoes.
Put them into the pot. Put them into the pot. Put them into the pot.
Put them into the pot.
Boil the pot.
Boil the pot.
Boil it slow. Boil it fast.
Boil it slow. Boil it fast.
Sambar is ready for you and me.
Sambar is ready for you and me.
Let us going to taste the sambar.
Yes, teacher.
Come, we will taste the sambar today. Appa sambar. Appa sambar is great. Appa sambar is tasty. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.